now going to retire and give you a volley. Go through loading motions quickly. Now going into a bayonet charge. British infantry would often fire a volley and then go in with the bayonet to drive off the enemy. The advance will begin slowly at the ordinary time to maintain energy and maintain order. French also use bayonet charges. When they advance, they come at you shouting and cheering, "Vive l'Empereur!" Lots of noise, lots of loudness to help buoy morale. British infantry are professionals. They march silently towards you, rigid discipline. You just about survived that charge. Still held back. They're now going to present arms, give you a salute, and then march off.
Rifles, present, arms. And that concludes. You may applaud all you like.
Breaking out into random applause is always welcome.
3 cheers for Britannic Majesty, King George III. Hip hip hip,
Huzzah!
hip hip hip,
Huzzah!
hip hip hip,
Huzzah!
A one for the bugle.
Huzzah!
Bugle, shoulder, march.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That concludes the 2nd and 3rd Battalions, the 95th Rifles display. If you want to learn more, or you fancy yourself in a jacket of green, come along to the camp and have a chat. They're just over there behind the bar.